Hi, my name is Akankshya Upadhyay and I am your English instructor. In today's class, we will solve the grammar portion of Unit 9, which is giving directions. So let's begin. Today we will begin our class by selecting the correct word or phrase from the list below and then copy them under the pictures. Here are 8 pictures, and then from this list we need to decide which phrase is correct to list under the picture. The first one is the arrow that shows up words. We go and look over the options we have. Go straight, go up. So this picture definitely says us to go up. It's not asking us to turn left, turn right, or go down because the arrow is turning upward. And then go back, no. Go round, no. So the best one is go up. Next we have an arrow that asks us to go back, and we have that option as well. Next, this arrow wants us to go right, as the arrowhead is facing towards the right. Similarly, as the arrowhead is facing towards the left, it says us to go left. Now this picture is a little tricky because we do not have any arrowhead. However, we can understand. If you are here, you can go straight towards this side, and if a person is here, again he can go straight towards this side. So this is a roundabout, and we can say the picture wants us to go straight. Now, as the arrowhead is facing downwards, we can surely write that this picture asks us to go down. Now in this picture we have an arrow. So this arrow asks us to go round. And finally, the picture is same as this picture, and finally the last picture is same as the third one. So we can say, and also the arrowhead is turning towards the right, so we can say the picture wants us to go right. Next, we will read a map and then draw a line from station to the desired destination. This is the map, and we need to find the direction, or we need to draw the line from station, which is here, to A. Guest house, B. ABC Market, C. City Hall, and D. Hotel. So first we will draw the line from station to the guest house. Now here is the station, and we have the guest house here. So we can draw the line as we go towards the left, and then we walk straight up, and then take a left turn, and through the hotel road we reach the guest house. Next we have ABC Supermarket. So here is the supermarket. Now from the station we can go to the ABC Supermarket by following the line or the path that we went for the guest house. We first come out of the station and take a right turn and go past the Kantipat road, and then through the exhibition road we can reach to the ABC Supermarket. Next we need to reach the City Hall. Now where is City Hall? So City Hall is in the City Mall. So we can be at the City Hall from the station in this way. So we come out of the station, go straight, and then take a right, and through Sahid Marg we reach to City Mall. And finally the hotel. So here we have the hotel, and we reach the hotel once we come out of the station, go straight up, and through Lions Road we can be at the hotel. So in this way we can draw lines. Similarly, we can find the college, which is here, and swimming pool. So we can just draw the line between these roads and then be to the swimming pool. In this way we can complete this map. Next we will read the map and then trace the route following the direction and discover the place. So here is the question. You are at the City Hall. Go straight ahead on Shahid Marg until Exhibition Road. Turn right and go past the post office and take the left turning. Go up the road until you get the first junction. Now turn right and go straight. The place is in front of the cafe. Now which place is this? We need to trace the map and then find the destination. So here we are at the city hall and we go straight on Shahid Marg until the exhibition road. So we are here. Now we take the right turning and go past the post office. So here's the post office. We cross it and then we take a left turning. Now we go upwards until we get the first junction. So here we are at the junction. So after we reach the junction, we turn towards the cafe and then we have the place in front of the cafe. So the place in front of cafe is ABC Supermarket. So here we write ABC Supermarket. And in this way we can find and discover the places. Next we need to match the following locations. We need to match these places with the location. First, we need to locate the video shop. Now let's go back and look at the map once again. We do not have any video shop in the map. Next, we will look at ABC Supermarket. So here we have the ABC Supermarket. So here is the ABC Supermarket, and ABC Supermarket is in the opposite side of the hospital. So we can say ABC Supermarket is opposite to the hospital. Next we have hotel. So here is the hotel and the hotel is next to the cafe. So we can say, therefore we can match hotel with next to cafe. Next is police station. Here we have the police station and we know that the police station is next to the station. So here we have police station next to the station. Now we have hospital. So here is the hospital and we can see that the hospital is in front of the Sagarmatha Tower, as this is a tower and here's the Tower Road, so we know that this is a tower. So we can say that the hospital is in front of Sagarmatha Tower. Now finally we have a video shop left and we assume that the video shop is opposite to the police station. And with this we have come to the end of this lesson. The homework for today's class is to read the map and draw a line from station to the college and to the swimming pool. This is all for today's class. If you have any questions, any suggestions or anything that you wish to share with us, please feel free to write to us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thanks for watching.